what's up? Kami nga Aldo, alita mo pa magkapampangan na bab kasi kaya beta mo English po kaya dollar ya. Kaya dapat mo mag-English ta mo. Mag-isa na ako English kanyan bab. You're just straight or what? You don't remember?
Let's go.
Wow.
Up.
Turn left?
Turn.
Really?
Yes.
You forget. Okay. I'm just following your instruction.
Is it what?
Here.
Yes.
No. Just watch me.
Huh? What? How do you want to do
Just
it?
watch me.
Alright.
Because you know,
We want to go in there
yeah,
like this. Oh.
I'm a very good driver.
I see.
Wait, guys, we are lost because Lou is not. He's not. You know, he forgot what he's doing, so we're going back, and then we just look another route, and we need a GPS. So it said beware of snake because it's too dangerous up here, and that is the Rocky Hill Monument. And now, oh, there's a museum, Luis, over there. That is a museum. We can enter that. It's closed now. I'm the only one who will go up because he's scared of heights.
So ayan, Bap, patyo na akong kening babo. Wala namang panigloon kay ni Bap. Talagang tinukitang kayabe ako tatakot siya kening mababo So ayan, video ko tsaka na ako tipa ka rin po ta gumagay ito.
Please film me. I will go climb over here. I just climb over here and from here. It's okay?
No. So that we can live.
Oh my god. Astonishing. So if you see the whole Gabon here. So we are trying to find out where's the church of...
The big Merino.
No, you can't see the big Merino.
That's
It's
the
too
road
far.
we use. Where is it?
That one there, yeah, that we used to go here, and that one over there, if you see guys, that is the Hungry Jacks, and that is our hotel, the two of us, of the West, but you don't see on video because it's not that clear. So let's end.